Meta has just announced it's laying off 8,000 employees. That's around 10% of the entire company. Tech layoffs, I think they're here to stay. It's going to continue happening over the year. Apart from these layoffs, there is something a lot more concerning that I want to talk about, which is the surveillance of employees. Meta is starting to add full surveillance of all its employees, meaning they'll log whatever keystrokes you have on the keyboard, they'll log your mouse clicks. They plan to use this data to train AIs to essentially replace human jobs. There's a leaked audio file of Mark Zuckerberg addressing employee concerns around this surveillance, so let's take a look now.
In other news, I know layoffs are top of mind, but there were also some updates this week around, and a question around employee device tracking.
We're in a phase where basically the AI models learn from watching really smart people do things. And if you're trying to get it to be able to do certain capabilities, having it be able to observe really smart people doing those things is very important. So there are a few examples of where we're trying to do this across the company, because one basic insight and hypothesis that we have is that a lot of data generation across the field is done by these contract companies. In general, the average intelligence of the people who are at this company is significantly higher than the average set of people that you can get to do tasks if you're working through the contract, through these contractors. So if we're trying to teach the models coding, for example, then having people internally build tools or solve tasks that help teach the model how to code, we think is going to dramatically increase our model's coding ability faster than what others in the industry have the capability to do, who don't have thousands and thousands of extremely strong engineers at their company.
What Mark Zuckerberg is basically saying here is they used to have contractors outside of Meta training these AIs to do certain tasks, but he figured out, hey, those contractors are likely less smart than the employees that we have. So why not add surveillance to all employees? And that training data is going to be used later on to replace you. Unfortunately, with this news, I do think other companies are going to look at Meta as the gold standard, and they're going to just copy what Meta is doing. They're going to add surveillance to all of its employees. In my head, this is going to speed up the displacement of human workers dramatically. Previously, I had thought human displacement of workers is going to take 2 to 3 years because you would need workers to opt in to training that AI. But if companies are just adding wide surveillance to every single employee and we have no choice, probably in 1 year or so, we're going to get that AI worker to a point where it can displace most jobs. It's really sad to see things like this. I'm going to keep you guys updated on the latest tech news and layoffs in industry, so make sure to follow for more.